Oh my goodness, I can't believe I let my hair dry out, but that's okay. We're about to try something new and get it together. Yes, roses, we about to get my hair together with this new product I have here from Product Junkie Naturals, and it's called the Rosemary Matcha Green Tea Deep Conditioner. Now, first off, this smells good, and it appears pretty thick because as you can see here, I'm trying to pour it into the lid of this jar and it's moving slow. So that's good. But it still has some movement to it and it spreads onto my hand nicely. Now, let's go ahead and give this a try. It smooths onto my hair pretty nice too. I mean, look. Okay. So yes, welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. And as you can see, I am in the middle of deep conditioning my hair. I had to re-wet it here and smooth this on, but look at how it's making my curls begin to pop. As you can see, I've jumped right on into this, but what I need you to do is just stop for a moment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you can stay tuned for any upcoming videos and you don't miss out. Okay, so today we are working with an 8-ounce jar of straight up goodness. The directions for this say, after shampooing, section hair into fours, apply deep conditioner from root to tip of hair, cover with a plastic cap for up to 20 minutes and rinse well. What I can tell you this has plenty of slip. It is assisting me with further detangling my hair and getting out those unwanted shed hairs. And look, look. So anyway, let me go ahead and continue on sectioning off this hair a little bit. And see, there goes some more. And look how I'm able to easily spread this through my hair. Now, with matcha green tea, if you didn't already know, it's packed full of antioxidants and it's packed full of vitamin B. This will aid in hair growing stronger and thicker and also adds shine. I mean, my hair looks shiny already, and I really need my hair to continue growing stronger and thicker because let me tell you, fighting this alopecia is something else. The rosemary will help improve blood circulation, and with that, it's obviously going to promote growth, and also both of these ingredients help prevent dandruff, which is something else I struggle with. So as you can see, I already taken off my thermal cap and look at my hair. I'm still able to run my fingers through it wonderfully. My hair still has movement. It has not stiffened up at all. Let me go ahead and take down this other side. Ooh. My hair feels so soft. So let me go ahead and get this washed out. Let's see what happens. Well, there you have it, roses. Another product from Product Junkie Naturals that I am thoroughly pleased with. If you could just smell my hair right now, it smells like matcha green tea mixed with peppermint oil. My hair is so super soft and feels thoroughly moisturized. So make sure you check out this product and all others by Product Junkie Naturals. And I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.